most Filipinos. Number 2. Filipinos are fat. According to an important research in Wikipedia, 99.60% of Filipinos are very overweight. Including this guy right here. He is of Philippine ancestry, but whatever. Number 3. Philippines is pro-LGBTQ. 100% of people are LGBTQ. To break it down from fresh Wikipedia and Wikipedia source. 30.7% of Filipinos are gay. 15% of Filipinos are lesbian. 12.9% of Filipinos are transgender, and 9.87% of Filipinos are bisexual, meaning that there's 31.53% that are other LGBTQ. Number 4, Philippines supports monogism, especially enough foreshadowing. Later in number 10, you see the foreshadowed guy. Number 5. Philippines and Serbia do not recognize Kosovo. According to Wikipedia and Wikipedia, Kosovo's real name is Kogisugivogi. Number 6. Filipino people are vegan, and vegan is worse. And you should eat meat because it improves your muscles and it has protein. Number 7. Filipinos are very, very raged. They're very, very angry. And they do not care about my channel, and they also care and support this guy. Enough foreshadowing. I said I'm gonna show it in number 10. Number 8. Filipinos created LGBTQ with the help of Serbia and Turkey. This is the reason why some Americans have a third gender. Number 9. A famous Filipino person said that Kosovo is Serbia and that Albania is raged and non-ogic. This is false. Number 10. For the final moment, enough foreshadowing. This is him. M-Cover or YLCC official. Make sure you learn from this ogic and very UTDP and rotetic and sparklic and chadic and anti-Filipino sentimentic lesson.